Hey everyone. So in a lot of my videos, I talk about value and contrast. And so I wanted to just really quickly show you how I go about making a value scale so that if this is something that you want to do, which I definitely recommend, you can make one along with me. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a ruler and you basically just want to, make a straight line and then you want even portions, right? You can really do them however big you want. Like they don't need to be 1 inch by 1 inch or half an inch by half an inch. You can do it however you just want, equal boxes. And in this one, I'm making 9 equal boxes, but you could do 10, you could do five, this, whatever you want to do, you'll get the idea here. So once you have your boxes, you're just going to make, number 9 or whatever your highest number, you're going to make the darkest. And then in each subsequent box, you're going to make it just slightly lighter, right? So you want it to be like kind of a perfect gradient between your, darkest dark and light. And so, it sometimes requires a little bit of going back and forth to kind of make sure that there is an actual gradient. So this is the basic idea. I don't even want you to worry about the lines. I just want you to get a sense of the value. And as you can see, you've got your dark, your midtone, and your light, and that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you again for joining, and I'll see you next time.